Good morning, afternoon, or evening, dear yogis here at Yoga TX. This morning's practice, morning for me, evening possibly for you, or afternoon, is inspired around surrender. Like to fully surrender and to come into more of a YIN style practice of allowing yourself to rest. And I know for so many of us, when we think of yoga, we think like movement, sweat. I want to like do dynamic movement. But yoga is just a way of life. Yoga is the intention that we put behind how we dance, how we do yoga asanas, how we breathe, how we love, how we make love to the world. And so today's practice is a practice to really care for your nervous system and to just like settle the body and to settle into your being and to observe and to recognize what's coming up for you. And so if you are open to going somewhere soft with me and surrendering, that is the journey we're going on today. So that being said, get some cushions, get some couch cushions, get some pillows, and you want to have at least 2 pillows. And we're going to start out in a posture. If you need to pause the video, do so. We're going to start out with 1 pillow at the front of the yoga mat. We're going to drape our knees, our legs over it, and we're going to have the other pillow long ways, and it's going to go at the base of the spine, and we're going to lay back onto it. And my pillow isn't as long as I would like it to be. I would like my head to be supported. So if you have a pillow that's bigger or you need 2 pillows, go for it. We're going to bring the arms alongside the body. And the bigger the couch cushion underneath the back, the more heart opening you get. Mine's pretty small, so I don't get a huge heart opening. So I encourage you, get like a big, stiff pillow so that you can get a heart opening here. Let the arms fall out. You shut the eyes down. And sometimes it feels nice to maybe put a blanket over us, like a weighted blanket, to feel really supported. Maybe it's nice and cozy and warm in your space, so you can make it warm. And we just take time here. Time to ground in, to relax, to breathe equal inhalations and exhalations through the nostrils. Silence to observe the mind, to observe the heart. This is a time for you to really sit with what is alive in your inner world. And silence is such a gift, but we live in a world where it can be really scary. Like, what's happening next? Oh no, I'm left with my thoughts. This is a time to really befriend all of you. And slowly peel yourself up. You're gonna move the pillow that's underneath the knees. Take the feet hip-width distance apart. Let the knees drop to the right. And you're going to turn back behind you and make sure you've got a stiff pillow. I'm going to use 2 pillows this time. I'm going to turn the chest all the way back behind you and lay down on your pillow. You can let your head turn to the right or the left, whatever feels best for you. We're getting a stretch through the side body, letting our hearts roll down onto the pillow. For me, I will generally turn my head in the opposite direction and lay my chest flat on the pillow. But because I want you to be able to hear me and the mic is in my chest, I'm going to stay a little bit open. But if you can hug your pillow and just lay your heart fully down to surrender onto the pillow, it can be so nourishing for the nervous system. Let's come back through center. Come back all the way over to the left. Let the knees fall. Turn the chest around and pull that couch cushion or pillows really in. Hold down. And we need more spaces like this to just really fully surrender. Just come back through center. You're going to stretch the legs out in front of you. Bring your couch cushions on top. Build it up nice and tall. Let's take an inhale, sit up tall. And exhale, slowly fold over. Let the head fall in. And if you need an extra pillow, if you need a third pillow, go for it. This is about more relaxation. There's a little bit of challenge. Of course, the body will be tight. But this is all about creating the environment for you just to surrender and to trust, to feel safe. Peel the chest up. Beautiful. Bring the feet together, knees wide. And again, bring those pillows between the legs. Sit up nice and tall. And exhale, fold once again. So again, you might need more pillows because this is still a big hip opener. Pillows are our friends. And these kind of positions, when we're having a tough day, sometimes when I am just feeling defeated, when one of my wounds is scratched, I'm feeling unworthy or unchosen or unlovable or in scarcity, I know that this is temporary, so I grab my pillows, I get on the floor, and I'm like, okay, I just need to breathe, I just need to be with this fear, this feeling, and just self-soothe myself like a mother. It's okay, it's okay. So we're self-soothing right now. We're caring for ourselves as deeply as we can. Peel the chest up. Bring the pillows to the side for a moment. And we're going to bring the right foot to the inside of the left thigh. Peel the chest up. And you can use the pillow if you need it on top of the left leg and slowly begin to fold forward. You might need 2 pillows. You might need 3 pillows. You can call this bedroom yoga. Can do this in your bed when you wake up in the morning. Before you even get up, just let the body arrive before you throw it into the wild, wild world. Let's peel the chest up. Bring the pillow off to the side. Bring your right hand behind your right hip and press the hips forward and up. Left arm stretches back. Let's get nice and long through the front line. And slowly set it all down. Let's do the opposite side. Extend the right leg. Left foot comes to meet the right thigh. Sit up nice and tall. Pillow on the right leg. And slowly begin to fold forward. And for me, this side is much tighter. I've got some things happening in my hip. So I have to use 2 pillows on this side. So let asymmetry be there. Let your body tell you, okay, this side needs a little bit more support. And for me, I'm even noticing that I need to come up even higher, that my body says, nope, we're not surrendering here. So listen to your body. Do you feel pain? Readjust. Let's come all the way back up. Bring the pillows off to the side. Bring the left hand behind the left hip. Press the hips up, right foot down, right arm reaching back at nice and long. Stretch through the front side. And slowly set the hips down. So we're going to bend the knees. And we're going to have the pillows nearby. We're going to come down to the back. So pull the knees into the chest. Rock from side to side. Give a little massage of the spine. Set the feet down. And we're going to lift the hips and bring the pillows beneath the hips down. I'm going to use 2 so that I can have my hips up nice and high. And then you let the hips rest. And I'd like to even be higher, honestly. You can extend the legs nice and long. You can extend the arms long. And we're giving a little bit of compression to the lower back where we can hold so much tension. And we're also opening through the groin and the heart space. And very slowly rebend the knees. Take the hands alongside the body. Remove your pillows. Let the knees fall in towards each other, hands on the belly, and just take a moment to ground. Knees into the chest. Take a couple of rocks forward and back. Come up to a seat. Sitting cross-legged like we began. Take your pillow. Bring it in front of you. Hold it at the chest. Sitting up nice and tall. Shut the eyes down. Easy breath. Maybe the head drops in towards the pillow. Again, sitting up nice and tall. And knowing and trusting that in the many versions of ourselves that exists within the mind and the body, the very young versions of you that needed to feel safe, that needed to surrender, that needed to slow down, they're here. They're just as present as the adult versions. So take more time out of your days, at least once a week, to really slow down, be alone, surrender. Find a way to come back home to yourself and to see what's really alive for you today, in this moment, in this breath. What do you want? What do you believe? Who are you? What are you here to do? What do you desire? You can take hands together at heart center, in front of your pillow, give a little bow. We say, Namaste. Thank you, dear yogis, for going on this little soft journey with me today. I know in a world with so many experiences and opportunities, it can be tough to slow down and just go inward. But it's nice to just hold on to these soft spaces in ourselves and this literal soft space of the pillow. I encourage you to take more time for you, take more time to slow down. You can find me in all the places down below. Our Echo Yoga on my YouTube channel. I do individual coaching, and I also do group trainings and retreats online and in person. So you can head over to echoflowyoga.com if you would like to find more out about the work that I do and work together. Have a beautiful day.